Hello, this is Ben Hawk, and this is my venture to move my eBay business from my house into my new shed conversion warehouse office. And the office is almost complete. Everything here, you can see everything's installed and ready to go basically. I got cabinets up there. I got one more of these cabinets. It's going to go right there. Give you a tour of what's going on here. Basically, you come in the door, you put the new thrifted items on this counter. That's the receiving center. You do what you got to do. Here's the picture area. Down in that section right there, you can see two plugs. Those plugs will be the power to the two lights, my two what do you call it, lights, umbrella, not umbrella lights, but the other type. Anyway, come around here. This is basically once you take the pictures, this right here, you're going to put it in the clear poly bag and put a stock number on it. I have stickers that I use for stock numbers, and then put them on there. Come around here. This is the desk area. You can see over there I have a cord for the hardline phone. More over here. This is all desk area. The computer monitor and keyboard and everything is going to go right here. That's the area for the laser printer and the label printer. And under here is going to be where the computer goes. I got a UPS up in there right now. I got installed. Come up here. This is going to be like the packing tape supplies and stuff like that. This one here is going to be printer supplies, ink, paper, labels, all that stuff. This here is just basically going to be office supplies. Up there, just whatever. And then over there is going to be in the cabinet that I'm putting up there, which is, like I said, one of these. It's going to have the poly bags and stuff like that. For the clear poly bags. Then come over here. Basically, what we're going to have is the shipping center is going to start at that wall. It's going to come out to here. I've got these two shelves right here, and basically what they're going to be, I'm going to have to cut them down a little bit to fit because they're a little bit taller than this cabinet here, and rather than lift the height of the counter up and make it not the same size as that one, I have to cut those down. So once I cut those down, they're going to go right here, one right there, one right there. That'll take up the majority of that space right there. Counter will come out, and those cabinets there that I just showed you are going to be the ones that hold all my poly mailers, my bubble mailers, and my bubble mailers for the postal service, all my shipping supplies, my general shipping supplies, boxes, the smaller boxes and stuff. Larger boxes will go elsewhere. In here, what I'm thinking about doing, I'm not positive I'm going to do this or not. I'm going to take this drawer out, take the face off, and secure it to this spot right here so that it looks like it's closed, but not have the drawer there. Then what I'm looking at possibly doing is putting the U.S. postal box and my bin down there, and in the counter put a hole so that once I pack something, finish packing it, slide it over, and it falls into the hole, into the U.S. postal bin. Then what I do is just grab the bin and walk out the door, and it's good to go. So that's a possibility. I have not decided whether or not I'm actually going to do that. Odds are I probably will, but I'm not positive. And just that's basically where we're at right now. I've got 3 cabinets left to do. That one there, obviously, I don't know where the door's at on that one. But this one here, like I said, is going right there. But yeah, that's the progress we are at. It's definitely looking like we are still going to make the first. Today is the 27th, I believe. So I'm coming down to the wire. Once I finish today, I won't be able to work on it until Sunday because I work tonight. I work nights, and then I work all day Saturday. So Saturdays are out of the question. I do still have to do the drywall and some mucking in that area right there. That's all that I have to do back there. Other than that, I got some shelving back there. They are not the right size for my bins, but they will do for some other odds and ends stuff. I guess I'm going to come down to the wire of having to build my bin shelves. Other than that, everything else is coming along. I do not believe I'm going to be covering that up like I said I was going to with the cabinet because, and this is going to sound weird, because of the way that this place was built. I would have to have, it would not be cosmetically appealing. That is actually more cosmetically appealing than having to hang that cabinet, because it's going to look really weird. I am possibly planning on putting a white board, or a board across here so that I can hang the mannequin on it. Not positive. That was the original plan when I originally started doing this, but I'm not quite sure if I'm still going to do that. I may just do it against the wall. That's pretty much it for today. Just wanted to check in and let you guys see what's going on. I do appreciate you checking out my videos. And if you like what you're seeing, hit subscribe and hit the notification bell, and they will let you know whenever I post something. And my next video should be this counter is completed and possibly the slat wall, and that stuff will all be done. So that's probably Sunday's job, is finishing this up and all that. Again, this has been Hawk, and I thank you, and have a cha-ching day.